Kelsey, welcome back to the Spencer fam. Remember to smash that like, smash that subscribe, and hit that bell so every time I post a new video you'll be notified. So, today I'm gonna be making edible slime, but the thing really turned off, but something happened. But this is what I have. I have the melted green and yellow. Now I'm just putting some grinded sugar. I'm gonna try this. And then, can you guys see? Yes, you can see. This is amazing. Oh, I just made a mess, but I'll clean it up after. Still a little sticky. And guys, while I'm just gonna do this. So yeah. So I made this other edible slime. It's delicious. I put like red, orange, and yellow in it. It's orange, but it's delicious. Delicious, okay? It's delicious. Whoa. Sorry guys, my parents are talking about my brother because like something's happening with him. But it's TMI. I'm not giving you TMI too much information. And thank you guys. I remember last time I did a video with Haley.
That's weird.
Like I said this before, but thank you guys for 30 subscribers. It's 31 now, but like thank you guys so much. I know everyone else has like millions and thousands, but I'm just getting excited for what I have now, and I'm not worrying about the future or anything like that. And we're not here for subscribers, okay? We're here for entertainment, having fun, doing stuff like that. But yeah. Okay. Now what's next? I'm eating gummy. Let's try this again.
Come on, Elise.
So, while you're mixing it, you can just put some of this condensed sugar on your hands so it'll get everywhere. That won't stick that much sugar. Oh god, I don't want to. See? And then it gets a little stickier as you go, but you just do it really fast and then it starts getting good. Ugh. I'm just making a little tiny one. Oh no. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Say it again.
Delicious. It's actually really good though. Not kidding. Okay. So,
Oh my god.
I know. So.
We bring some rum can, whatever. Bring it down, don't throw it.
Okay. Just keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. And if this gets sticky again, I'm gonna put it in the freezer for a little bit, like a tiny bit. Yep, it got sticky again. But we're just gonna put this in the freezer for like a quick minute or so. So I'm guys, I'm just getting.
Who are you talking to?
I'm just gonna put it on this side. So that's what's giving a plate. I'm just gonna, so I can get this off my hands. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get some condensed. Okay. Now we're just gonna get this on the plate. We have to keep this so it doesn't stick on the plate. So that'd be bad. Oh my god. Come on. And guys, here's the question of the day. I haven't done a question of the day in so long, but since it's almost back to school, I want to know what grade you guys are going in. I'm going into 6th grade, yes, first day of middle school. I'm excited, really nervous too, but I think I got this. So guys, I'm just wash my hands quickly. Alright guys, I'm quickly washing my hands. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Yes, I have some condensed sugar on me. Yes, I'm putting you. Sorry for the bad lighting. This light is done, so we have a lamp. But I'm putting it in the freezer. Now we need to clean up this mess. So I'm gonna put the water into this. Wash it off. And put some bubble. I'm trying to do both sides. Okay. So this one doesn't need any. This one is a fuss. But so I got these two napkins. I'm putting in the trash. And then I got these two napkins that I'm just brushing the powder into the sink. Brushing the powder to the sink. And I really don't want to freeze it too long. So I think this is enough. So last time I over-freezed it. I think I over-freezed it again a little bit. So I'm now take for like 2 seconds, literally. Yeah, 2 seconds. I'm gonna just turn that onto the thing. But literally 2 seconds. Of watching you guys. Just watch me. Cook time. 2 seconds. Hey, bro. Come here. 2 seconds. Start. That was literally 2 seconds. But I'm not, I wasn't kidding. That was gonna be 2 seconds. Okay, I don't know what I was doing for a second. But I think I did enough. I don't know. But yeah. So since there's this cutting board, I'm gonna put both of them on it. Oh. Both of the endless lines on it. So I know this one is done. So I'm gonna put it on the chopping board. Hey! So yeah, and then I'm gonna get this one. Let's see if it's finished. Good. It's finished. Do we have a rolling pin somewhere? Do we have a rolling pin? Do we though? I really don't know. Sorry guys, I'm just twisting this quickly. Hopefully you guys can see this right now. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of the green and a little bit of the orange and mix it to see how it tastes. Let's see what color and what it tastes like. Oh, this looks actually really pretty. So here's the color. I'm just putting it down. So, yeah. So here's the color. It's actually really pretty. It looks different on camera, but it's like yellow, dude. It's literally yellow. Big. But let's see what it tastes like. Okay, it doesn't taste like lemon, but it doesn't taste like lime or orange. I don't know. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, smash it, smash it, but subscribe button, hit that bell, so every time we post a new video, you will get notified. And whoever subscribed, thank you very much for getting us to 31 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.